friends, welcome to this video in which I will show you how to put in place a table upon products that we have found in the street. In fact, we needed a table here, and we've been very lucky because we found on one hand this table for which we will be reusing the feet, as well as this very nice top which is out of massive wood. So we'll be just fixing this on this feet. The big advantage here was that we found these ingredients around the corner, so we didn't have a big hassle for the move of the different elements. We just brought them back by feet. On your end, you will probably not find exactly the same ingredients, but it's just to show you that it's really not so difficult to make this kind of operation. Here I will be using the tools from my basic toolbox, and this is showing again that it's covering 100% of basic work. Don't hesitate to have a look at this video. Let's go. We start this little works in putting the table upside down. We see here that the used screws on this table are flat screws. Here I'm taking the electric screwdriver, but of course you can also use a manual flat screwdriver. I had already shared in the video about how to heighten your sofa. When you're using this part for putting the screws, put the teeth here really to the exit here. And this enables to put this directly inside. Now we can take the feet and for this piece of wood we'll be keeping it because with this we can organize also shelves for free, as you have seen in my video. Now I'm turning again back the feet for getting the screws. So here there was this little cleat below. I could have removed it, but as it's already here, I will just tighten the screws because it won't disturb in any way the table. Now we can put the feet on the table. And we're making a quick calculation. The width of the board is 99.5 and the feet 60. So this is the width of the table, 95.5. Then the width of the feet, 60. I deduct the 60 from 95.5. I reach to 35.5. And I have to deduct this by 2, it's 17.25 on each side. So we're doing the same for the width, 154.2. We've measured here the width of the table, 154.2. Then the width of the feet, 120, which means we will have 17.1 on each side. now, given the length of the feet, it's very difficult to move it without stabilization. So I will take the ruler and I will now put the right references on the outside. Now I'm placing the ruler exactly at the external reference. Fixing it with clamps, otherwise it will move. So now the feet are okay. Now I can just move the table in width. It doesn't impact the way it's done. Here I don't have any bradlow, so I will use the small screwdriver. Now at this very precise, I will take some references to see where the feet were located. Here I will make a pre-hole, as you have seen in my video about the screws. For removing the screwdriver holder, I'm opening the screwdriver, putting it out, and now I'm putting the very small drill. We're making the pre-holes. Here I put a very short distance for making sure that I'm not going through the board. I'm taking the old screws again, and before that I made sure that there wasn't a risk that it would be going through the wood. Some screws were missing, so I'm taking my magic box, trying to find something similar. Now the feet are well fixed, I can remove my ruler. Now I can put the table into the right direction. That's it, my friends. Now the table is perfectly fixed and fixed for the purpose we have reserved for it here. See you in a minute in the next video, or very soon on Happy Hour TV 1.